This is the Vitnette 30-piece face mask set. Let's take it out of the package. And in the package we find the masks. You get 6 of 5 different colors for a total of 30. There's black, gray, pink, white, and blue. These are your standard issue face mask. Let me go ahead, take one out of the package. I'll show it to you, and then I'll put it on so you can see what it might look like if you were wearing it. So here is the mask here. It opens up, as you see, like that. This is the nose piece with the metal tab at the top of it that can bend and shape to your nose, and the ear loops like that. You'll see that it says KN95. Do not be fooled. These are not N95 masks. Instead, these are not exactly the paper mask that everybody has, but they're thicker. In fact, they're 5-ply. These are much thicker than your standard mask that everybody has been wearing. Looks like they'll hold up quite well for some time, and the manufacturer claims it'll give you 95% protection from airborne pollutants. And to wear the mask, of course, you know what to do. Just sort of open it up here like that and put it on. Now it is sort of cup-shaped like that, which is actually rather nice. So we'll put it on, fit it, and shape the nose piece, and that's it. Let me come closer. It's a mask. It works. It does its thing. They're not bad at all. Certainly will work for most people. They're comfortable to wear. You can breathe through them. I can certainly hear myself talk through it. Of course, you're always going to be muffled through a mask. There's no way around that. But in other words, they work well and should definitely serve. These definitely seem to provide a lot more filtering than I would get with a standard paper mask. So once again, this was the 30-piece set of face masks from Vitnette. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.